Palestine has a right to defend itself against tyranny, against villainy. We're not scared, we're not scared. Palestine has a right to defend itself against enemies, against zalamin. We're not scared, we're not scared. Do you ever ask yourself some questions too? Because you're always telling Palestinians what to do. Your hypocritical ways are nothing now. Because you lose everything if you speak the truth. We will always stand up for our fighters. Because they are only one who come defend us. You're always criticizing our resistance now. Why? But when we are protecting children and sisters, you all attack us like you are avengers. Palestine has a right to defend itself against tyranny, against villainy. We're not scared, we're not scared. Palestine has a right to defend itself against enemies, against zalamin. We're not scared, we're not scared. They want us to go, we'll never leave, no. This is our home, our home. They take away our rights, lock us up day and night. Welcome to our life, but we'll get our freedom. We won't give up this fight, no matter what's the plight. We'll stand and sacrifice. Allah, please help us. Do you ever think about us? No. Do you ever care about us? No. Will you ever understand us? No. And that's why Palestine has a right to defend itself against tyranny, against villainy. We're not scared, we're not scared. Palestine has a right to defend itself against enemy, against zalamin. We're not scared, we're not scared. Do you think about my story? How did I end up like me? Why do I do what I do? What did I go through in life? Let me take you back in time. When it all changed, I was 5. Mom and dad gone and everybody died that night. That was the night that I knew I will always stand for truth. But we are gonna resist them, because nobody condemns them for the evil they bring.
But we have Allah, and in the meantime,
Palestine has a right to defend itself against tyranny, against villainy. We are not scared, we are not scared. Palestine has a right to defend itself against enemy, against enemy. We are not scared, we are not scared.